Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is a great idea for a stylish magazine or catalog or brochure wrap. This is from my friends at Paperboard. This is a wrap that they designed to deliver their magazine called Inspire, and I just love the design of this. And so the back, it's definitely got a soft touch laminate on it, and then there's a spot gloss UV with a shimmery message on the back. You flip it over, but one of my favorite things is this little production trick they did in the locking mechanism here. So this panel basically is angled, it folds over and goes right into this little slit. But what they did is there's two little notches, one here and one here. And when they cross over into that slit, it locks it closed. Those little notches catch on the edge of this vertical slit, and that's what keeps it locked. So I'm gonna just take the magazine out because I wanna really focus on this. I love these kind of the two pointed panels, and then, so technically it's an iron cross wrap, but it's got kind of asymmetrical panels, which is really nice. So these fold down, and then this folds over, and then this folds into that slit and locks closed. And I'm not even holding it, it just kind of locks itself closed, but then it's still easy to open. So I love that. These were printed 4-color, as I said, soft touch laminate, spot gloss UV. This is on Invercoat Creato 10.2 point. So just, you know, beautiful piece and a great idea. This could also totally shrink down as a wonderful invitation package. So I just think it has a lot of versatility, great design, great production. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Asymmetrical iron cross magazine wrap. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.